Good lad. There you go. A little bit of ice cream.
No, not the cone.
Good job. You good boy? Is this how you brush your teeth?
Good girl.
Okay, how are some?
She's gonna make the same.
Oh, look, he's doing it. He's doing it.
See him there?
Yeah.
Come on, come on.
Good boy. Doug, you do great, Doug. Just let him go and back up a little.
Hi, puppy. What do you think of the outdoors? You like it?
Vlad, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come Hello, Kuromi-san. Hello. You ready to go home? I think so.
I'm literally just sitting here and he's playing the piano. Literally, he just got up there.
Good lad. There you go. A little bit of ice cream.
Like I said, she's crazy. Oh my god.
Come on. Yay. What are you doing? What are you doing? What is going on here? What is going on?
If you're happy and you know, say meow. If you're happy and you know, say meow.
Are you relaxed?
Come on, Doug.
Ready?
He's wobbly with his best bye.
It's okay.
Yeah! Come over here, come on.
Oh wow! It's doggy ice cream! I think it's just like giving the whole scoop.
He's not sad, he's happy.
Yeah.
Are you hungry? Do you want dinner?
It's like that.
Yes, yes, yes! Yes, yes!